Hello guys, good morning. After a very long time, I'm back again. Nan sabke mola channel de welcome korise. Man ajido shilido kila vlog banawa shilido man buside na se man mola mom la village de mola bajambe summer paise. Nisno ense kono tajambe summer vacation paina se do man buside beraina se to man ide village ki kuro se shilido basically gorle se man ero amne ambe ero vlog to boring ina sari aro itu mala summer la vlog isna ho to man aji ki gorle se to nene sari mona face to over kiwa gores oily bishunas itia odise mo face dola nai brightness. So today morning we ate sweet corn for breakfast. It is sweet corn over taste. It's very organic. It was planted by my mom. Mom can lagay siya do. Ito siya. Tasty day siya. My man family ando so big take the khali siya. For this morning we have like fish curry, rice with aloo chutney, and this is shrimp boil with squash. This is dal. It is itu do shuludo mala jila lunch se morning la. Man do lunch kan khaina I guess man jena ki khole se like like bawati you want to say seeds kan se saplings vegetables la and then guys moi ta kyo dikhole itu do na ekdom ajele bishi short ase de man lying on us goodness we slept here last night ये घुमाइए तो मन खाना साना खा लेगा उसके बाद हम लोग निकालेगा थोड़ा जंगल में जाएगा. Now I'm gonna show you around. Beans is
This is not an ordinary corn, this is a sweet corn.
And this is yam leaf. This is corn. Pumpkin. This is cucumber. Just look at this.
This plant represents lady finger. Yawala eggplant.
As you guys can see, this is a corn. This is the giant lady's finger. Let me show you the close-up shot. Yes, the thing I got here. This is miso. So this is chili. This is cherry tomato. Lui tebi pakiana. Kumba to paki. I think on second batch is nige. Ita mohan front side la se or front side la ide front side la idu side tebi ase to one ase. To ita mohan alag jare jo gorla backyard to jo. We're gonna plug this one. Ta idu cucumber plug kore ase.
Dana to mosto ko na lamba ase manla da.
Think water got. Back side to ina ase fake side ko ase. Back side. Idu kiwa like ta komora type laga ase to itu lagai na thaka to. Aro all these are sweet corn. Rekiman dikhi ase to ampura sweet corn laga ase. Man aji morning di bishi khai dise sweet corn. Banana gas. Itu banana to mitha hode. Jas kol ase to. Aro idu lady's finger ase. Sweet corn do alag dangor la ase. Dangor ase. Aro shimgami man babal la ase. Sai ne.
Sari dikhan na sari.
Aro itu side kan itu pumpkin kan ase. Banana. Ow. This is crazy, man. Itu jaram dulu jo khore. Itu pura ina jungle ase. Aro itu part kan pura rubber gas ase. Jahan di sweet corn bishi ase. Jaram di jahan tu alap dulu jo khore. Look who is here. Our Mr. Frankie. Ape wa sabji ki khila ase?
Under fried subji khan
Ki
khilai
sabji khilai? Ki sabji khilai? Mungson khilai na na?
Mungso to mola tang de gane.
Ki garne?
Mo tang de bishi bikhai uto gane.
Itu orne na khai. Amanu mungso khawala je ro. So let's go pore jo. So ina buye se very simple and very simple but very organic. Edido man di mo portion man gorom noi de. Ite mo sai de light ti ne man aramba berena vlog ko pare se. Aro man kale ti do without AC fan ekla chalai na blanket urna humai se man. To apne ane imagine korli kina tala weather to kina thakibo. So friends, we are ready to go. Khiti de jawle ase. Sab ready hoise de. Sab ready hoise. Kuma the fest ka ase. Masu, are you ready? Ready hoise na na?
Ready hoise.
Mr. Frank. Let's go then. To man spot e punchina log pau de. Punchi se mala jaga de. Ida man saman gan unload kuri ase. Ida gusa gan de. Itu se this idu area khan ase. Itia mohan jana vegetables can kick and harvest kurlese. Pau aina se. And here Ape is here. And Masiviko also is here. Masiviko, show me your face. Say hi. Yes. Abi aina se. Idhe se kuna se. Say hi.
Hi.
Idhe ko jawle se man.
Kikra dole.
Kikra durle. All right. Miss no. Kina kina grole se.
Kikra dole se.
Say something.
Bakang mo.
Yo koi na.
मुझे कितना कैमरा ने खाली मुकाई खाया वाला दिखे
तो माने देवा जावले से इनावना इदवा नाला दे जावो इतु एरिया जावले से नाला दे इनावना पिछदा इना इतु एरिया दे मोहन हार्वेस्ट करो यस तो माला रोड कंडीशन तो लब इना से लाइक दिस लिच तो ना होला दे सही ना रास्ता तो नीचे आया होले in a view de in a experience brother and especially with families yeah, this is awesome yeah rasta de na ste ero na no tade jaw niche de aina na itu tade do nala se niche de na तो मान गया नाला बिजोड़े पुंजी जिससे करा दुरोले शुरू हुए से ये दवा शुरू कोले से ये एकदम नेचर लोकल वाइब पे ये लोग इसलिए मान पावना ना इधर घूमना बड़े होले भी will try our best to catch lot of crabs guys side again boring नहीं ना keep on watching the video so we have grabbed our first catch Avi please show the corner is oh first catch no the details this is fern tera pata koi man bishe se de fern kham de see look who we found this tiny crab see this is crab lap la la se the crab to apau to ja se ita ido fern do collect kro le
I got this one. I got this one.
do khala mushroom se khala ni na khala se khala no la khala na na to nala de jena idu paise pata da aru phir bi ase manu paise aru manu already singai na rakhi dise do ede osore jesna man edo bishi pa nai to aji do idu paise o phir jaw ro for next dita piece aru to I don't know what is this o bishi bal ase to khawle edo bagan de edo side la bagan de vegetables can harvest korla ina ase apawra pe wala kaina khala so let's go and have a look era singa ase to collect korna je someday evening de khawa gate opening grace this is the garden gate let's go inside
Come on inside.
I don't know garlic ase garlic la aru the shim collect kore ase ha oh sorry this is not garlic this is ginger sorry guys
Come on in here.
oh man badam khai dege na itu se my first time dige ase to lagas you know I'm really surprised aru edila soil to bishi bal ase de just look at the view man all the crops vegetables are here bishi dangor ase de so area bishi dangor corn khan ulai na ase and then tapiaka edu khuri alu koina aro cherry tomato oh watermelon bi ase koise let's go and have a look guys this is the watermelon let me show you guys tada wow hello jaldi dangor hobe man khawle ase so guys this is cucumber I'm seeing it for the first time
King
cucumber this is king cucumber and look at this another one na kile na puti usida ido dangor la cucumber do na mati de chhe na do lai
Hey, ekta bhi dura na kumbe.
oh
Misina apni ham na pulog do. Oy, abi. Mostre na pulog do.
this is called local style
Jumo de na pulog do.
ina ido killer kislu do tagi biya ho na dio na wow corn collect korese to andu manom ba ina singil siko ase ido na sile saide corn chimti ay khai this just look at this hey chimti ay khai this squirrel will ule chance de do khai laga do squirrel khami de bishes kilo this part are all jungles do na itu area pro jungles do ido kumba chipai dis ro this is nagalusun the eggplant I am on balo linus it I guess peanut lagas snige badam na here is ginger side gi man vegetables kan age collect kurlo ina ona collect kurna man kiman collect kursi do last dikhai do fish tired se aya collect kurna na overtake pai sab collect kurna aro aji do olop sani mare do hot na to man collection karo itu do corn ase de local corn ase de aro sweet corn do shilu do loken ase loken jongmon de jana lokon mukain anise itu sim ase to aji jana cook kurna khawa aro vegetables kan bishesh hole man olop le dise kilo le bachan summer vacation olop le paise do idon sob kuchu gas ase idon harvest korle time de parish gule ayo hule not so sure itu kuchu do borta ase aro itu tenga pata lagas na eta so man refreshment khai ase itu do girina what's wrong
Balu jo idea.
Mumu dalo ape mumu dalo. To chips under I mom labubu sticker paise. Ball photo is na utbi.
oh labubu la na koi bala dikhai de ek bar ठीक दिखे
If you love me, please like and subscribe. Pacifico from water supply है.
Very good. तो आपने अभी तक ये खुशी पाई गले तो don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, guys. Enjoy korse vlog to imani hobo aro kali la vlog to kali continue kobo aji to gor jabo ena ona corn khan singaise don pakai na khawa juro ena ona subjian banai na khawo so guys see you then